Well, good morning, everybody. We're on our maiden voyage with the trailer, that is, to a car show in Panama City called Emerald Coast Cruise In. Probably take about 6 hours to get there from here. It's about, what time is it right now? I don't know what time it is. It don't matter. It's morning here in Alabama, and I hope to roll in to Panama City probably about 2 o'clock, something like that. I'm in no rush. I'm not going to push the car very hard. I'm just going to let it cruise maybe 55 miles an hour top speed. So anyway, I'll get the camera hooked up on the car and on the trailer here in a bit and get some shots of that. So we'll see you in a bit. Everybody, we just entered Florida. Camper's pulling great. Oil pressure 60 pounds. Temp still around 165. It's really doing really good. I'm really pleased with the performance so far. So we're probably about an hour, maybe an hour 20 or so out from our destination. So anyway, I just wanted to check in, kind of give y'all an update on what's going on. See you in a bit. Alright guys, I just went to the drive-thru at McDonald's to get me something to eat. And I wanted a large drink, but they supersized the whole meal, so I got this super French fry meal. So I'm probably just going to eat the fries right now and just eat the burger later. I've been on a diet plan where I was doing keto for a while, and then I went to just a low carb. So this blows the whole low carb thing. I was on a weight loss program. I was really pleased with my results. I started out at 191 pounds and ended up around 172 pounds. So I was really happy with the results. So anyway, you guys that are on that diet program with me, this is my part of it. Thanks, guys. See ya. Alright, everybody, we've arrived here at the campsite, but I can't seem to find the footage that I shot when I first got back and set up at camp. But here's a few photos that I took. Thought I'd share these with y'all before we headed over to the car show. Really happy with my campsite. Nice level. Car pulled great. It really was fun. So come on, let's go to the show. Alright, I gotta pull right over here and back in and go over here and register. I didn't pre-register for this show, so I'm having to register since I got here. But y'all sit here and watch the cars go by, and I'll be right back. We'll park the car somewhere. Alright guys, we finally arrived. So now let's go see some cool cars.
What a mess.
Man, how beautiful, huh?
What a mess that is. Wow.
Yeah, something. Oh, look at that beautiful interior. Beautiful headliner. Clean dash, beautiful carpet. Wow, what a great clean truck. Beautiful wood floor. It's a beautiful truck. Y'all probably never seen one of those before right there. Well, that's pretty cool back here.
Shot from behind, I thought he was dead. Under his heart, holding out to the lid. But a spark still burned, so I used my knife. Late that night, I saved the life of brother and dog. I just take it the day to pass. The days went by, you had it fast. Then from dawn till 6, some people got distant, evidently not. One day we rode the mountain crest, and I went east, and he went west. I took the law and wore a star, while he spread terror near and far. With black and blood he hit me. He turned his nose and turned out the wrong inside. He was so They said my speed was next to none, but my lightning draw had just begun when I heard a blast that stung my wrist. The gun went flying from my fist, and I was looking down the floor. I say that anyone else sees. So you know it is done, and he said to me, we're even friends. So at last I understood that there was still a spark of good Ringo.
409.
I blocked the path of his retreat, turned and stepped into the street. A dozen guns spit out. A moment later, he lay dead. The town began to shout and cheer. Nowhere was there shed a tear for Ringo. Tarnished star above the name of Ringo.
$1964 gold. And the guy doing that song was Warren Green. You knew him as Pa on Bonanza. That's Ringo. April Coast Cruising Day 2. We're powered by Pepsi and the Panama City Beach Convention and Visitors Bureau, Stingray Chevrolet, and Gingerbread Grundy Insurance. Day 2 begins. Another great one from 1964. Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons here.
1968.
Well, when I pulled out on 98, the roads were a little wet, and I gunned it a little. Man, that thing
The steep queen in this man I met wanted to be him. Everyone wanted to see him. He got an edge. You can't fake the way he was.
Steve McQueen was the coolest of the cool. With serial performances in blockbusters like The Magnificent Seven and Bullet. His love for fast cars, beautiful women, and life on the edge. He's one of the hottest cultural icons of the 20th century.
My dad's got a nickname since he's passed the king of cool.
Oh, I love it. That is one of the best.
1966. $283. $3,378.10. I'll take 2 of them. Now that's a roomy trunk right there. Solid car right there, no rust. Man, that thing is pretty. Yeah, you can see down that side. Got a straight 6.
It got bigger.
Really beautiful car. Great vinyl top. Beautiful car, sir.
Sir?
Beautiful car.
Well, thanks very much.
Yeah, beautiful. That's sweet, isn't it?
It is. With all the garbage they put on today.
Oh yeah, you pop the hood, you don't even know what you're looking at. Beautiful, clean car. Look at that beautiful blue with the white top. It's a sweet looking car right there. Beautiful blue interior. My goodness. Yeah. Sweet car right here. '67 Dodge RT. I'm gonna call that baby blue. I'm gonna call it pretty. I'm not sure what size motor that is, guys. If anybody knows, let me know.
1973. That's Paul McCartney. And on the run.
What is that? 33 Cadillac LaSalle. It is beautiful. Wow. Could you imagine? Well, I guess you can. You're driving it now. What am I saying? Beautiful car. Very beautiful, sir. They'd have let her ride. What year is it? 30. 30. Beautiful car.
Soft and slow.
that. You can get 1 ticket for $5, 5 tickets for $20, or 25 tickets for $100. We're going to do the giveaway tomorrow after 4 o'clock. You got to be present to win. The last jackpot here was over $12,000. The winner went home with over $6,000. Come to the Mega 50/50 tent right across from the Hot Rod Show trailer and get your ticket now.
Round, round, get around, I get around, yeah, get around, round, round, I get around, get around.
These guys' fathers, everybody's fathers. Oh man, these guys.
Beach Boys on the Hot Rod Show, and I get around at Emerald Coast Cruising. Hey, we got Scott Ennis, the voice of Hanna-Barbera. He's the voice of Scooby-Doo since 1997. The voice of Scooby-Doo, Barney, Shaggy, Fred Flintstone, all of them. All of them.
Yes, sir. It's a video camera, and I was trying to. It was showing my reflection, and I don't want to see me. I want to see the car. I love your paint job. Very beautiful. The fire almost looks like it just you could reach in there and touch it.
Super Bowl Walmart ad a few years ago. I did that. With all the current Scooby-Doo talking toys for the new movie Scoob that came out a few months ago. So yeah, I mean, and then Bill the Mayor did a little talking, and that was
Something tells me that a 383 stroker motor with dual carbs didn't come factory in a Gremlin.
I know, I've only been arrested twice.
What kind of doors have these characters opened up in your life?
Oh my gosh. I mean, well, you know, I always say that you have to connect dots in life. And, you know, so I thoroughly believe that a guy comes over and says, look, I really could use a favor. I need you to help pressure wash my driveway for me. Well, that could just possibly be the president of Federal Express that's asking me to do that. You know what I mean? You never know. So I always say,
Let me out of Uncle Scoob. He's a Scrappy-Doo. And I'm Shaggy Noble Rogers.
What about some of the stories of your career? What's some of those good stories when you're talking about connecting the dots?
well, I'll tell you right now, years ago, I was in radio, I did a little parody song, like a lot of those jocks do, little fun stuff. It was to Alabama's Shaggin' on the Boulevard, and we'll be dancing, shagging on the Boulevard. I did a parody going, and we'll be dancing, shaggy on the Boulevard. So I put it on my show. A guy called me over and over and over and said, you should call Hanna-Barbera and play him that. So I didn't want to borrow trouble, so I didn't. So after it ran its course for about a month on my show, picked up the phone one day, called Hanna-Barbera. Bodie Chandler in the music department answered the phone. He said, do they know that you do those voices that well here? And I said, well, I mean, no, it's the first time I'm calling. He said, hold on, I'm going to put Colette Sunderman, she's the casting director on it. And I go, but I said, but why would you want me? You know, Casey Kasem does Shaggy, and my dear friend Don Mess. Scott Shop and find me on there, okay, or Facebook. I'm all over, so. But onescottshop.com, I've got all my merchandise. I keep everybody updated on what's going on. It's a fun deal.
Okay, we got you set up over in front of the ET
By the
motor
mystery
here.
machine.
Exactly. That mystery machine is spot on too, by the way.
I'm telling you, it's that actually true story. If you put the mystery machine from the cartoons, the classic cartoons, it's a little different. But that mystery machine, you know, I did Scooby-Doo on Zombie Island, Alien Invaders, Witches, Ghosts, and Cyber Chase. That is the mystery machine from those movies. So it's kind of cool.
Okay, when they come to your booth, what have you got to offer them?
Man, we've got T-shirts, got a few of the stuff down.
All right, everybody, we got a 1953 Ford pickup truck. It's the original farm truck. Still has the original flathead engine in it. I don't know if y'all can see there or not. Let's turn the light on. I don't know if that's going to help or not. I'll show you something on the back of this. He was telling me earlier. It says I am for 454. And now if any of y'all know anything about antique tags, you don't get to pick what they send you. And obviously this being a Ford, he did not want I am for 454. That should be on a Chevrolet, but that's what he got. Can you imagine? Alright guys, here's my car. I'll show y'all my hitch. I've had a lot of people ask me, what is the small ball for? Small ball is a sway bar. And there's another small ball on the trailer, and what that does is if a tractor trailer blows by you, it holds the trailer in place. It takes out the wiggle, so to speak. And they really work well. I was really pleased with the way everything worked. I know you guys have seen this car before, but my wardrobe. So anyway, there she is.
Everything that we do at Texaco, we're working to keep your drive. Wherever you go at Texaco, trust is our motto. So for products you can trust. Come on, everybody, let's hear it. You pick up your car from the man with the star. A big drive, Texaco.
car, guys. Beautiful.
Be gone. Go get that dog. Go get that dog.
Is he well behaved?
Yeah, he minds me pretty good. He can be a little arrogant.
Sure. How long have you had him?
He's 5 years old. We got him when he was 17 days old.
Oh, wow. So he's been with you most of his life.
That's all he knows.
That's pretty cool. He sure is pretty.
Thank you.
Thank you. How come on the ground is still flapping in the air? It looks like it's not.
Yeah, it kind of like whenever it's up, it kind of like blends together. You mean it kind of looks more gray.
Alright guys, that's the end of day one. Can't wait to come back in the morning. Look at this cool Ferris wheel. It's really a cool place. Got families over here playing putt-putt. The weather's perfect for that. Well, y'all ready? Come on, let's head back to the camper. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell. That way you'll be notified every time I put out one of these cool videos. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Bye. Whew, I'm so freaking tired. Hope I get up in time in the morning.